Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode, I have this cool, amazing product right here in my hand. And basically what this is a universal waterproof phone pouch. So if you guys plan on using it for swimming, kayaking, or anything, this will totally be perfect in all those scenarios that I mentioned. And even if you guys don't plan on doing any swimming or water sports, you guys can still use this to carry around in case if it does rain or something. You guys can use it in those cases as well. But you see right here it mentions that IPX8 water resistant certification, that is wide capacity in terms of the phone size. It's adjustable straps that can make it looser or tighter. And also it has an air circle padding, so that way if you guys do drop the actual pouch itself, it does float. And here's some more specs about the product itself right here. But first thing first, let me actually open up the product to show you guys what it actually looks like first. Alright, so when we open up, this is basically what the inside looks like right there. Let's take it out. Alright, they give you a warranty card right here if anything goes wrong with the product. They give you guys some straps, 2 of them. Then this comes in a pack of 2. And then right here we have the pouches. So this one, like I mentioned, comes in 2 packs. So that way you just have a backup one just in case, or you can share with friends. Since they're both the same, I'm just open up one of them. So when we open it up, this is basically what it looks like on this side, and this is what it looks like on this side. So the way how you guys open it is by pushing this part right here on both sides. So just like that, and then you can take it out and open up the inside and put your phone inside there. So inside they do provide you guys a little card to teach you guys how to use the product itself. And right here is instruction on the back to show you guys how to install it and how to put it in. Alright, so I have my phone right here, the case on. Let me try to see when it actually goes in or not. So it does look like it's going in. Alright, so to see that the phone is in there with the case, if I try to seal it back up, and then seal it back up like that, you can see that it fits inside there with the case on, and it does work with the touchscreen. But one thing to remember is that when you guys actually use this waterproof pouch, is that when you guys want to take photos on here, don't use the actual screen to like take photos. Use the side button on your phone to take photos, especially if you guys are underwater. So for the actual device itself, you guys can still use the touch button, like you guys can swipe left and right if you guys want to, but it is a little bit hard, but it does work. But the Face ID still definitely works with the actual case itself on. So if I try right now, you can see what I mean. Alright, so you see unlocked it. So you guys can definitely use the case itself inside the water pouch, but if you guys want to get the best result, it's actually ideal for you guys to not put the case inside with the phone so that you can get a better view of the actual phone itself. But if you guys want that extra protection, then it's definitely fine to use the case in here. And then for the top part right here, you can see that they do have the strap part right here, so you can use the strap to attach it on and just put it around your neck or something. Let me just take it out to show you guys what it looks like. Alright, so here's the strap. So you can make it longer, shorter, however you guys want to. That's up to you guys. And all you guys need to do is just clip it on here. And it's all set. Just put it around your neck and carry it with you guys anywhere you guys want to. And like I mentioned, you guys can make it tighter or shorter based on your own preference. And the way how you guys do that is just by doing this. So now it's much shorter than earlier if you guys want to do that option. So when you guys actually use your phone underneath the water pouch itself, it's a little bit hard to actually use it because of the pouch design and everything, but it does work. You guys should definitely press a little bit harder so that way it can actually work, because if you guys don't press it hard enough, it won't work too well. And when you guys try to take photos and everything on here, it actually works really well. Obviously the quality on here won't be the same compared to without the case on, but this is why you guys are sacrificing when you guys are getting a waterproof pouch. So at least this way you can still get images underwater and you guys don't have to worry about your phone getting wet or anything. So that's basically everything that's on the product itself. And then I'm actually go do the quick waterproof test to see when actually it is waterproof or not first. And then we'll come back and talk more about the product in a second. Alright, so I have the product right here. I'm gonna play this song and just dump it into this tub right here with full of water and see whether or not it's actually waterproof. Alright, so it's all closed. Let's see. Alright, so you can see that the product itself is floating because of the open circle protection thing that they have. If I push it down, it floats back up. Alright, so it does float. Let's see if it's waterproof. Alright, everything looks good, but let me take it out first. Let me stop the song. Alright, so I can stop the song and everything, but let me take it out. So first thing I want to do is to wipe down the actual case or the protector itself first to make sure none of the water is outside, because if there's water outside, then it might get inside. Alright, so it looks good. Let me open it up now. Alright, so you see that's fully waterproof. There is water in the outside, but that's fine. There's no water in the inside. Alright, so you can see that's fully waterproof and none of the water got in. The The only reason why there's this water here is because my hand is wet, but it is fully waterproof, which is pretty awesome. Alright, welcome back guys. So now guys saw a quick waterproof test yes, and see that it is waterproof and none of the water actually got in, which is pretty awesome. So you guys can definitely bring this with you guys for swimming. You guys can use it for kayaking. If you guys are planning to use this outdoor when it's raining or snowing, it definitely has that coverage for all of them. I believe this is also dust resistant or dust proof as well. So if you guys want to use this for like some kind of Coachella concert or something, you guys can definitely bring this along with you guys as well. But definitely a pretty high quality product that works really well in all kinds of like weather, whether it be for water, snow, dirt, dust, whatever case may be. It works really well. But that is basically everything that's on the product itself. Now that we do unboxing and testing the product itself, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for me, honestly, I would definitely have to say that these are worth it if you guys want one or need one of these, especially if you guys are planning to go to any kind of like the condition that I mentioned. So water, ice, snow, dirt, dust. This is super useful in all those scenarios. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you do need. But other than that, that's pretty much it for quick unboxing and testing the product itself. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And if you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. It'll definitely help this video and channel out. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.